We are here at Laurel, Batangas, and we're going to feature this 1.2 hectare property beside Canyon Woods Estate. Hello guys! Welcome to my home! Joke lang! Ito na yung ating cabin number 2 guys. And as you can see, we have the bed over here. Let's go to the toilet and bath. Andito tayo ngayon guys sa cabin number 2 and ito yung dining area niya. Okay, so over there was our dining area and dito naman yung kitchen area natin. Of course, outdoor din siya and andito na lahat guys. Meron tayong mga cabinets, may sink, and everything we need sa kitchen natin. May ref na din guys. So from cabin number 2 guys, we are headed here sa men's bathroom and girls bathroom because this is our resort. There's 2 private cabins here guys. Let's visit the first one. So over here we have our first cabin. And as you can see, it is very minimalist here and super cozy. Here's our bathroom lounge guys, and over here is the toilet and bath of private cabin number 1. Okay, let's do a montage. So outside our cabin area number 1 guys, we have this outdoor dining and kitchen area experience. So we can experience this with the nature because ang daming trees dito, kitang-kita nyo naman, and super ganda ng nature dito. And of course, maganda rin yung architectural design na to guys, very modern and stylish. Sa mga nature lovers out there, I'm sure magugustuhan niyo tong property na itutour natin today. Kasi guys, look at the fantastic view of the mountains over here. And of course, may overlooking view din tayo ng ating iconic Taal Lake. So medyo smoggy lang yung weather natin today, kaya hindi masyado na-view ang ating Taal.
Now we're at the poolside and wow, sobrang ganda ng view. Infinity pool to guys, pero ngayon hindi nila pinuno all the way. So this infinity pool has a max of 5 feet deep and on the other end it's 3 feet.
Beside the infinity pool, we have our mini pavilion here. It is very relaxing in here. Maririnig mo talaga yung birds chirping, the sounds of nature. over here, we have the bonfire area. So this is one of the amenity area of this property. Take note guys, this Ifugao hut alone cost almost $500,000 because it came from Ifugao. Ginawa talaga to ng mga Aitas. Ayan, solid wood yan guys. We have the Dakugon roofing over here. And may CR din tayo dito. Here's our toilet and bath sa baba. Inakyat natin yung Ifugao hut and as you can see guys, most of the furnitures here in this property are also included. We have an open cabana here. And of course, it's also overlooking. I'm Vic Lim of Property PH, and if you want to see more contents like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching!